Hey everyone, today I'm going to be talking about my top 5 favorite travel pants. Hopefully this helps you find the next perfect pair of pants for your upcoming trip. Let's get started. So these are the Kettle Mountain Tomfoolery pants. These pants are an absolute workhorse. Probably the most feature-rich, most thoughtfully designed pair of travel pants I have ever seen. They've got zippered pockets on each side here. These are YKK as well, so they're super durable. You've got reinforced pocket gussets. You've got belt loops here if you want to throw a belt on, but they also have built-in drawstring system, just like a pair of joggers. So if you want to use that in addition to a belt, maybe you've forgotten a belt and you need to use these, you are good to go. They also have their words, not mine, the anti-plumber's crack technology here. This is essentially a rubber gripping strip that makes it so your pants don't sag down, because no one loves the plumber's crack. As I had mentioned, zippered pockets on both sides. If you forget your coin purse while you're in Japan, or maybe you're somewhere and you want to lock something down, you have a nice zippered pocket there for when you get on that zip line and you want to make sure your valuables stay secure. These are not going to inhibit your movement. I don't know if I would take these on like a backpacking trip, but I have taken these on several day hikes and they are great. But yeah, these can go really from business meeting to trail to basically anything you want to. These are the Swiss Army knife of pants here. On the back, you've got another zippered pocket here, and an interesting choice. They got some drain holes here. I wouldn't call these amphibious pants by any means. I haven't jumped in a lake with them or anything, so interested to see why they put these drain holes here. And another interesting choice, they have one pocket that has a button flap. I don't use this personally, but I guess if you wanted a button flapped pocket, you have the option there. These are super hard wearing. Love these pants. They served me very well in Japan through all kinds of use. Hiked the Jogasaki coast in these, went straight from there to more city exploring. Yeah, excellent pair of pants here from Kettle Mountain. Oh, and one thing is they also include free repairs. Definitely a thoughtful ad there. If you're looking to have these pants repaired, you can send them to Kettle Mountain and they will repair them for you. So yeah, those are the Kettle Mountain Tomfoolery pants. So these are probably my favorite pair of travel pants that I've picked up recently, simply because they punch well above their weight for the price. Best bang for your buck, hands down. These are the CRZ Yoga Men's Athletic 4-way stretch joggers. One of the reasons why I am starting to love joggers for traveling is the jogger cuff here down at the bottom of the pants make them really versatile for any kind of shoes you want to wear. If you wanted to wear like adventure sandals or hiking sandals, if you wanted to wear like a clean pair of tennis shoes, maybe you're one of those dads who's going to, walk around Disney World all day and get 30,000 steps in your super puffy Hokas, like these Hoka Bondis that I have. I'd wear these to the hotel gym. I wouldn't wear these to a business conference or a client meeting. But yeah, they got zippered pockets on both sides. These are not YKK zippers. I do want to point that out, but for the value, these are excellent. $40 for a super lightweight, epic pair of travel joggers that you can hike in. You can use these for the plane. Great for hot weather. In Japan, even though it's very hot in the summer, most Japanese don't wear shorts. So, outside of the beach, I am going to be rocking these in Japan, even in hot weather, just because they are breathable, stretchy, light, and they really go with anything. So if you're looking for the one pair of do-it-all budget travel pants, I can't recommend this enough. For $40, you can pick these up and you can put the other money you would have spent toward other travel pants like a more premium pants towards an excursion or another hotel night or some kind of adventure. So yeah, definitely take a look at these, the CRZ Yoga men's joggers. Quick disclaimer, this is not a sponsored review. I've purchased all these on my own, so just want to let you know that these are my true honest opinions about these pants. All right, so these are my favorite outdoor adventure pants I've ever had. These are the cool Renegade Rock pants. I took these on a 3-day backpacking trip in Wyoming. These are the only pants I took. They are extremely lightweight. I didn't even know I had them. They protected me from bugs and brush and all kinds of rocks that I was rubbing up against. They have a YKK zippers all over this pants. All the pockets are mesh pockets, so it's super breathable. These are extremely light. I don't know exactly how much they weigh. If I can find them, I'll throw them up here. But yeah, you got some zippered back pockets here. You got your reinforced little tool pocket here for like a knife clip or a multi-tool you want to throw in there. If you're gonna go hiking, if you're gonna go backpacking, camping, these are the best pants I've ever had. So if you know of a better pair of lightweight travel hiking pants for the serious backpacking and outdoor pursuits, let me know. I'm interested to see. But yeah, I've absolutely loved these pants. They have a elastic here down at the bottom if you want to loosen or tighten the cuff. I usually keep them pretty tight against my leg, but if you want to loosen them up, roll them up and get more air, convert these to kind of like a 3/4 style pants, you definitely can. But these are the cool Renegade Rock pants. I love the slim fit, lightweight, utility nature of these pants for all things outdoors. So yeah, check those out. All right, these are the Built Basics Everyday pants. I believe this is the 2.0 version. These are your go-to pants if you are at the business meeting, if you're going down to Orlando for an all-day conference and you want to stay comfortable but look clean all day. These are the pants for you. Extremely stretchy. I would not wear these hiking or any kind of like outdoor pursuits. These are really your clean looking go out to eat with a client pants, wear at a business meeting. You can definitely dress these up, but at the same time they're not like a pair of suit pants where they're going to be uncomfortable. You have your pockets here, a weird little side zip pocket. I've never used this pocket in full transparency, but if you need to throw some car keys or a valet ticket in there that you don't want to lose, you definitely have that option. They're not the lightest, they're not the most breathable, but again, this is assuming you're gonna be in like an air-conditioned environment, mostly indoors all day. These are excellent pants. One thing I love about Built Basics is they do make pants with a taller length. I really appreciate that. I'm 6'1", 180 pounds, and it's nice to have an option to have like a longer length so that the bottom of the pants don't come up to my shin. Yeah, so those are the Built Basics everyday pants. All right, so these are the Lululemon ABC men's pants. If you look on Reddit, a lot of people love these for travel. They are extremely comfortable. I took these to Japan and beat them up, and they were absolutely great. One of the things I love about these pants is that I can wear these on the plane, I can take them on light hikes, city exploring, and they feel amazing. They have great stretch. I wish they had some zippered pockets here, but they don't. They do have a single security pocket here on the back that you can throw some things in there. Funny story, I had my passport wallet jammed in here, and a kombini worker in Japan got quite the kick out of watching me try to get my wallet out of here when it got stuck. So just beware, it is smaller of a security pocket on the back there. But these are excellent. I think it's made out of what they call their warp stream material. It's super stretchy. Water kind of runs off of it. If you get caught in a storm, of course, they will get wet, but I really don't have too many bad things to say about them. But yeah, so just another option for you all if you're looking for that classic 5-pocket travel pants. These are probably the best lounge mode pants that I own. These are the Lululemon ABC joggers. They are extremely comfortable. I did take these to Japan with me last time. I had them on the plane. Didn't even know I had them. They do have a zippered pocket back here for extra security. I wish they had zippered pockets here on the sides, but they don't. So beware, you could lose something out, but they are quite deep. They are very loungy looking. They have kind of a deeper crotch here. And you know, for some people that's not going to be an issue, but they have kind of a lot of more material here in the upper thighs. It just feels like you're in pajamas essentially. If you were looking for the most epic lounge pants that you can get, I would highly recommend the Lululemon ABC joggers. Thank you for watching. I hope this helps you find your next favorite pair of travel pants. We'll see you in the next one.